Alright, it is time to start vlog 2 of the summer, so let's get into it. Alright, so not a ton is going on today, but this weekend is 4th of July, so I'm going to be doing some fun stuff here in the vlog for you guys. But today is going to be a lot of editing, so let's get to it. So I'm staying over at my friend's place for the 4th of July, just overnight, and I'm not going to be setting off like any fireworks there. There may be fireworks in the area, and he has a pretty sick skyline view, so we can maybe get some slow-mo shots of that from up above. But tonight I'm actually going to set off some sparklers in my backyard, and we're just going to try and get slow-mo shots from my phone. I think that would look sick. So yeah, we're going to try that out, see how it works, and yeah. Alright, so I just woke up. I look like a scumball, so I need to get a shower, and I'll be right back. There we go. That's a little bit better. So anyways, today is the 4th of July. Like I said, we're heading over to my friend's place a little bit later. We're going to stay there overnight. But right now, I actually have to head over to the grocery store, pick up a couple things, just pick up a couple desserts and stuff. So yeah, let's go do that. But first, I need coffee. Alright, so a couple things are going on today. So, first off, go get that merch. Okay, shameless plug, I know. Anyways, so today there's a couple things going on. So, first thing, I'm still waiting to hear back from the exchange. I don't know what's going on. It's probably, I mean, they're not like late or anything. They may call me today. Who knows? But also, my next semester of film school starts today, so I have to head over to our local PBS station. They relocated to there, so that'll be fun. Probably not going to vlog any of it, but I'll take the camera just to see. But yeah, probably not vlogging any of that. But you guys saw all of the firework footage. I actually haven't edited that yet, but you guys will see it when, you guys will see it before this clip. Also, TikTok actually just gave me access to make 3-minute videos, which is really cool. I didn't think I was actually going to get that, but because I'm a pretty small creator on the app, but yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, so we're heading off to film school right now. It's like a 20-minute walk, so it's really not that bad. I'll probably get there a little bit early. It's 1:33 p.m., so not that bad. But yeah, we're heading over to our local PBS station. They relocated there from a little building on the south side, so yeah. God, I hate vlogging in public. I feel like people look at me so weird when I'm vlogging in public. So, but yeah. I'll see you guys there. A little early, so I thought I'd do a little bit of car spotting. Saw this sick Model X. This thing is awesome. Just wanted to show that real quick. All right, just finished a film class. There's a new boba tea place not too far from here, so I'm gonna head over there right now, check it out, maybe grab some boba tea, and yeah. All right, just got back home. I got myself a jasmine green tea with blueberry flavoring. It's actually pretty good. So yeah, if you're in the Pittsburgh area, try Fuku tea, or as I call it because I'm an ass. Fuck you, tea. Yeah, maybe just blur that out really quickly for jokes. Okay. Anyways, I've been charging a bunch of phones all day, so I got the I've had a bunch of smartphones charging here right now. We got the S4 charging over here right now. I got a couple more phones upstairs. Alright, so I have some super exciting news. I am officially scheduled to take my driver's test. I am taking it on the 23rd, which is 2 weeks from tomorrow. So that'll be super exciting. So, yeah. Maybe licensed in a couple of vlogs. Alright, so I completely forgot to end my vlog last night, so it is the next morning. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you guys smash the thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button down below, follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Twitch. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.